Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Heiria Awalia from English Education Department of Trisi at Islamic State University of Sultan Syarif Kasim Riau. In this video, I will explain my material about relative clauses. And the part is the first, Unit 84, relative clauses. 1. Clauses with who, that, which. The second, Unit 85, relative clauses. 2. Clauses with or without who, that. And the last, Unit 86, relative clauses. 3. Whose, whom, and where. Unit 84, relative clauses. 1. Clauses with who, that, which. A. Study this example. The man who lives next door is very friendly. Who lives next door is relative clause. A clause is a part of a sentence. A relative clause tells us which person or thing, or what kind of person or thing the speaker means. Number 1, the man who lives next door. Who lives next door tells us which man. Number 2, people who live in Paris. Who live in Paris tells us what kind of people. We use who in a relative clause when we are talking about people. We use who instead of he, she, they. The man he lives next door is very friendly. The man who lives next door is very friendly. We know a lot of people they live in Boston. We know a lot of people who live in Boston. For example, number 1, an architect is someone who designs buildings. Number 2, what was the name of the man who lent you the money? It is also possible to use that instead of who. The man that lives next door is very friendly. B. When we are talking about things, we use that, not who, in a relative clause. We use that instead of it, they. Where are the eggs? They were in the refrigerator. Where are the eggs that were in the refrigerator? Number 1, I don't like stories that have unhappy endings. 2, everything that happened was my fault. 3, the window that was broken has now been repaired. You can also use which for things, but not for people. Where are the eggs which were in the refrigerator? C. Remember that we use who, that, which instead of he, she, they, it. Do you know the man who lives next door? Not who he lives. Next part, Unit 85. Relative clauses. 2. Clauses with or without who, that. A. Look again at this example from Unit 84. 1. The man who lives next door is very friendly, or that lives. 2. Where are the eggs that were in the refrigerator, or which were? In this sentence, who and that are subject of the verb in the relative clauses. The man lives next door. The eggs were in the refrigerator. You cannot leave out who or that in this sentence. Sometimes, who and that are subject of the verb. The man, I wanted to see him, was away on vacation. The man who or that I wanted to see was away on vacation. Have you found the keys? You lost them. Have you found the keys that you lost? When who or that are object of the verb in the relative clause, you can leave them out. 1. The man I wanted to see was away on vacation, but not the man I wanted to see him was away on vacation. 2. The dress unbought doesn't fit her very well. The dress that unbought. 3. Is there anything I can do? Is there anything that I can do? B. There are often prepositions in at, with, etc. in relative clauses. Study the position of the preposition in this sentence. Do you know the girl? Tom is talking to her. Do you know the girl? Who, that? Tom is talking to. The bed I slept in it last night wasn't very comfortable. The bed that I slept in last night wasn't very comfortable. Example, number 1, the man who that I sat next to on the plane talked all the time. 2, are these the books that you have been looking for? C, you cannot use what instead of that. 1, everything that he said was true. Not everything was he said. 2, I gave her all the money that I had, not all what I had. What the things that? Number 1, did you hear what I said? The word that I said. 2, I won't tell anyone what happened, the thing that happened. Unit 86, Relative Clauses. 3, whose, whom, and where. A, whose. We use whose in relative clauses instead of his, her, their. We saw some people, their car had broken down. We saw some people whose car had broken down. We use whose mostly for people. 1, a widow is a woman whose husband is dead. Her husband is dead. 2, what's the name of the girl whose car you borrow? You borrow her car. B, whom is possible instead of who for people, when it is the object of the verb in the relative clause, like the sentence in Unit 85. The man whom I wanted to see was away on vacation. I wanted to see him. You can also use whom with a preposition to, from, with whom, etc. The woman with whom he fell in love left him after a few weeks. He fell in love with her. C, where. You can use where in a relative clause to talk about places. The hotel we stayed there wasn't very clean. The hotel where we stayed wasn't very clean. Number 1, I recently went back to the town where I was born, or the town that I was born in. 2, I would like to live in a country where there is plenty of sunshine. D, we use that or we leave it out when we say the day, the year, the time, etc. something happened. 1, do you still remember the day that we first met? 2, the last time that I saw her. She looked very well. 3, I haven't seen them since the year that they got married. E, you can say the reason why something happened or the reason that something happens. You can also leave out why and that. The reason why that I am calling you is to invite you to a party. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.